Want to create those captivating word-by-word captions you see all over social media, right on your CapCut PC? Let's get started. First, import your video into CapCut PC and drag it onto the timeline. Next, click on the Text tab and choose a text. Type your entire phrase or sentence. Don't worry about the timing just yet. Now for the magic. Select the text on the timeline, position the playhead at the beginning, and click the split button. Advance the playhead to where you want the first word to disappear and click split again. Repeat this process for each individual word in your sentence. Zoom in for precision. Adjust the duration of each text clip so only one word is visible at a time. Shorten or lengthen them according to the video's pace. Give it a more engaging look by customizing the font, size, color, and adding a shadow or background. Consistency is key. Click on animation and add a fade-in effect to each clip for a smoother, more appealing reveal. It's subtle, but makes all the difference. And that's it. Play it back, make any final adjustments, and you've got awesome word-by-word captions in CapCut PC. Get creating and captivate your audience.